How do I create a YouTube account? Creating a YouTube account is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube account. Go to the YouTube website at www.youtube.com. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. On the next page, click on the Create Account button. You will now be asked to enter your first and last name, as well as your email address and a password. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign into YouTube instead. Once you have entered your information, click on the Next button. On the next page, you will be asked to verify your account by entering a verification code that will be sent to the email address you provided. Enter the code and click on the Verify button. You will now be taken to your YouTube homepage, where you can customize your account settings, create a channel, and start uploading videos. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel today itself, because everyday efforts will be made to keep you motivated. The creators of opportunity make life will be with you. Thank you. Have a nice time.